Want to know the secrets to glowing skin that everyone is talking about? Tired of dull, tired-looking skin no matter what you try? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm spilling the tea on the do's and don'ts for that radiant, head-turning glow. Ready to transform your skin game? Let's dive in. These are the skincare habits you absolutely need to incorporate into your routine if you want that healthy, radiant glow. Do cleanse your face twice daily. Always cleanse your face in the morning and before bed. This helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Choose a gentle cleanser that matches your skin type. Do moisturize properly. Never skip moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, a good moisturizer helps to lock in hydration and protect your skin barrier. Find one that suits your skin type for best results. Do use sunscreen daily. Rain or shine, indoors or outdoors, sunscreen is a must. UV rays can damage your skin, causing premature aging and dullness. Opt for a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that could be holding your skin back. Here are the don'ts. Don't over-exfoliate. Exfoliating is great, but overdoing it can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. Limit exfoliation to 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. Don't sleep with makeup on. Never ever sleep with makeup on. It clogs pores and can lead to breakouts and dull skin. Always remove it before hitting the sheets. Don't use hot water on your face. Hot water can strip your skin of natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. Use lukewarm water to cleanse your face instead. And there you have it, the do's and don'ts for glowing skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite skincare tip.